Searching for potential life outside our planet has been one objective that scientists and astronomers have never retired from. They believe that humans are not the only living species in our universe, which is why they explore the solar system for any potential signs of life out in space. This quest for alien life has led to the discovery of several exoplanets, done efficiently by NASA's James Webb Telescope and other incredible technologies. These planets have been explored and one seems to show signs of life existing in them. What discovery did the JWST find on the planet, and what does this mean for the future of space exploration? Join us as we explore the James Webb Telescope's terrifying City of Lights discovery on Proxima b. The discovery of exoplanets has been quite intriguing over the past few decades. Their discoveries, attributes, and possible phenomena surrounding their existence keep scientists and astronomers fascinated by them. Since the discovery of the first exoplanet orbiting a star like our Sun in 1995, studying exoplanets has been one of the most talked about topics in astronomy. As of November 1, 2022, 5,246 exoplanets have been confirmed in 3,875 planetary systems. Sometimes these planetary systems are found to have more than one planet. Some of these planets are massive like Jupiter, but they orbit differently and closer to their host star than Mercury does to our Sun. Some planets orbit two stars, and some might even have suitable conditions for life to thrive on their surfaces or for life to thrive within them. Scientists have been observing these multiple exoplanets and planetary systems that have been found from the smallest exoplanets to the largest. There are even some that seem like our planet Earth, while some are just awfully bizarre. One such exoplanet is Proxima b. The discovery of these planets and their planetary systems has helped scientists know more about their forms and compositions and give ideas as to whether life exists in them. Discovered in 2016, Proxima Centauri b was seen orbiting right in the middle of the habitable zone around Proxima Centauri, its star. It was discovered by a group of astronomers through the high-accuracy radial velocity planet searcher HARPS at the European Southern Observatory in La Silla, Chile. Known as our Sun's nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri is located 4.25 light-years away, which also makes Proxima b earn the nickname of being Earth's cousin. It wasn't given this name because of its closeness, but because of its features similar to our planet. Proxima Centauri b has a mass of 1.17 Earth masses, and it orbits its star in only 11.2 days, compared to our Earth's one-year-long orbit around our Sun. It also receives about the same amount of solar energy from its star that Earth receives from our Sun. Proxima b was named based on the ground rules stated in the Planet Naming Convention. The Planet Naming Convention is used by planet-finding astronomers to name a new planet after its star. This new planet is then named, followed by lowercase letters, starting with a B for the first planet discovered, C for the next one found, and so on, as long as more planets are discovered within the star. The letter A is reserved for the parent star itself, although the convention can be confusing at times because the arrangements of letters reflect how the planets are discovered and not their distance from the parent star. This same planet has been predicted by astronomers to have an alien life form, and this theory would be confirmed by using the James Webb Telescope for any signs of light. In a study conducted by a team that includes Avi Loeb, they suggest that the James Webb Telescope can be used to find evidence of LED lights on the planet. This thought was considered because the planet orbits very close to its small red dwarf star, so there is a high chance of it being tidally locked. Due to its night side, Loeb proposes that a civilization living on this planet could have invented powerful mirrors or used very bright LED lights to brighten their cities. The team said further that the near-infrared instrument on the James Webb Telescope could be used to search for signs of LED light waves on the planet and its host star. If all is done correctly, the James Webb Telescope could detect artificial light if it exists. The Harvard professor Avi Loeb has been researching and coming up with theories about the existence of aliens over the past decade and suggesting ways in which they may be discovered. Some of the theories that got him recognized were his paper on the interstellar asteroid Oumuamua as humanity's first contact with an artifact of extraterrestrial intelligence. Now he is turning his gaze on Proxima b, which alien hunters and UFO enthusiasts believe is a new valid choice in the hunt for an extraterrestrial civilization and alien intelligence outside our solar system. To actualize this, Loeb is involved in the Breakthrough Starshot project, which comprises laser-boosted sails sent at high speeds to inspect Proxima Centauri. The Breakthrough Starshot project was announced on April 12, 2016 by physicist and tech billionaire Yuri Milner and cosmologist Stephen Hawking. Notable members of the board also include Mark Zuckerberg. Another reason this step was taken was due to the radio signals detected from the area where Proxima b is located. When the telescope was observing Proxima Centauri, these signals were detected by the 64-meter Parkes Radio Telescope in Australia. Proxima Centauri is a dwarf star with only 12.3% of the Sun's mass, 14.1% of its radius, and 0.17% of its net energy output. Proxima Centauri has been observed to be unstable, and it is known to produce large solar flares. Its corona temperature is also low at 3042 Kelvin, unlike our Sun, which has a corona temperature of 5772 Kelvin. The majority of Proxima Centauri's emitted light is close to being infrared, so it is very dim. It is not visible in the Earth's sky when viewed by the naked eye, despite its close range. Also, Proxima Centauri has a relative coolness due to the reduced support of its stellar material against the pull of gravity. As a result, the star has a very high density. Our Sun has a density of 1.41 times water, while Proxima Centauri possesses a much higher density. Proxima Centauri's density is 56.8 times that of water and 7.23 times that of iron at standard pressure and temperature. Even though its mass is 129 times greater than Jupiter's, its diameter is only 1.5 times that of Jupiter because of its increased density. Due to these reasons, would Proxima b be habitable? To find out if Proxima b is habitable, a team of astronomers from the United States, Spain, Belgium, France, and the UK conducted a study. Their study was on the possibilities of Proxima b being a habitable world for humans. The critical element to habitation in a geographical area is finding out if liquid water can exist on the planet's surface. Even though visible and infrared light just warms the planet, high-energy radiation and particles threaten the gases and liquids on the planet. Proxima b receives a significantly higher amount of such radiation compared to Earth. Therefore, it is critical to assess if the planet has been able to keep its water and gases since it was formed 5 billion years ago. The study, submitted to the Astronomy and Astrophysics Journal for publication, used the most advanced tools and observations to investigate Proxima b's surface and the number of gases and liquids that could still be present on the planet. From this study, researchers found out that as of this moment, Proxima b receives high-energy radiation 60 times more than Earth's, and that the total time of formation is about 7 to 15 times higher because Earth was also irradiated more strongly in the past. Even though scientists do not know the amount of water that was initially on the planet, calculations show that there's a chance Proxima b could have lost about one ocean's worth of water. The water loss is likely due to the early irradiation in the first 100 to 200 million years after the planet was born. Still, what most likely happened after then is very uncertain. It could have been that the planet lost huge amounts of atmospheric gases continually and eventually became a dry world without an atmosphere. It could have also been the other way round, where the planet could have kept most of its atmosphere and preserved liquid water on the surface. Although both possibilities are open, scientists hope it would be the latter, because it means that Proxima b would be hospitable to life. More research is still required, but the studies done by this team of astronomers propose that having liquid water on the planet's surface cannot be ruled out, therefore making Proxima b a potential candidate for human colonization. We hope Elon Musk adds it to the list alongside Mars if all goes well. However, scientists had tried to find out if Proxima b had surface water and an atmosphere, so they did a test in their study to confirm it. The team of astronomers checked the possible climates using an advanced 3D model and then observed a wide variety of atmospheric compositions and water inventories. This test showed that liquid water may only be present over the planet's surface in some specific regions. These areas turned out to be in the sunniest regions, either in the hemisphere of the planet facing the star or in a tropical belt. There are plans for future observations to be done on Proxima b. One such observation would be using the 9-meter ESO-EELT telescope currently under construction in Chile to observe the planet. The extremely large telescope would allow further investigation on Proxima b and the hypothetical presence of a thick atmosphere and a liquid water reservoir. If it turned out to be that way, it would be a perfect sign to know that the nearest star to the Sun also hosts the nearest habitable or perhaps inhabited planet. There are also theories surrounding if there has been life on the surface of Proxima b. Scientists believe this might be possible, although it seems unlikely. As said earlier, water is a crucial prerequisite for the development of life. Taking our planet as an example, our planet is considered a unique planet, especially with its large oceans. This is because Earth formed inside the ice line of the solar system. The ice line is a region where solar energy is likely to vaporize water and dry out the pre-planetary material before it can merge into a planet. But it is believed that an event known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, probably created by an orbital resonance between the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn, occurred in the solar system after Earth had formed. In that occurrence, huge parts of icy material situated outside the ice line were removed from their orbits. As a result, a sizable fraction of that material hit the inner planets. And so it's believed that this bombardment gave significant quantities of water to Earth, creating its oceans and also making the notable craters on the Moon. Such a scenario could have also happened and dropped enough water on Proxima b, so the pre-existing life and oceans theory is questionable. Still, the solar flares from its nearby parent star Proxima Centauri may have destroyed any life forms on the planet. So even if Proxima b has an atmosphere, it is not likely to contain free oxygen. During a conference with R.V. Loeb, he said that the Breakthrough Starshot's tiny sails scheduled to explore Proxima b would need about 5 to 10 years of studying the technology to prove its capability for a trip to Proxima b, which is millions of miles away. Let us know what you think about Proxima b in the comments section below.